How to block ads on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to block ads on Facebook. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, simply scroll down and tap on settings and privacy, and after that you simply have to tap on settings. And now here, once you're inside the settings section, just tap on see more in account center. And now here, once you are inside the account center, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as ad preferences. Now here you simply have to scroll down and there you'll see the option labeled as advertisers you saw ads from. So there you just have to tap on see all beside that option, and after that on the next page you'll see list of advertisers whose ads were shown to you recently. So there you can just select advertisers that you want to block ads from, and after that you can just tap on hide ads button at the next page, and that's it. That's how you can block ads from specific advertisement on Facebook. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.